The Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, was established in 1964 as a premier institute. One of its objectives is to provide quality treatment to poor patients at affordable prices. Over the decades, it has grown into a center of excellence in all aspects of treatment and research. The arrival of the coronavirus in India called for the setting up of hospital facilities exclusively catering to such patients. In such a demanding situation, PGI-MER has risen up to the challenge by setting up a dedicated COVID hospital. The newly constructed 250-bedded state-of-the-art Nehru Extension Block has been designated as COVID Hospital under the guidance of Professor Jagat Ram and chairmanship of Professor G.D. Puri.
When the pandemic of COVID-19 hit the Indian shores, we started our preparation well in time to fight the crisis. Under the guidance of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, we constituted a multidisciplinary team consisting of medicine specialists, anesthesiologist, epidemiologist, pulmonologist, microbiologist and many more who had vast experience in managing the epidemic. At this short notice, a dedicated COVID team was set up at PGI Chandigarh.
All patients are received in a screening area designed to minimize direct contact. From there, they are taken to a triage prior to COVID testing.
The moment we were asked to set up a 250-bedded state-of-the-art hospital dedicated for the COVID patients, we went into action, putting up plans on the paper, making teams of young faculty, dividing the work amongst the many committees which we formed, not only for formulating the management protocols, but also purchase of equipment, as well as the welfare of the people who are going to work, the training, the committees which are going to train these nurses and doctors and paramedical staff who are going to work in this isolated, infection-prone environment while treating corona-positive patients. So it was a hard task which my young faculty and colleagues went ahead very meticulously. We were having meetings twice in a day, getting feedback, monitoring the activities of each of these committees. We set up even international webinars with the faculty of different countries where the corona was prevalent at a very high incidence, like United States, Italy, France, Spain and Germany and United Kingdom. And based on the feedback of the experience of those faculty, we formulated the latest guidelines which will help the patient management. Within a week's time, we were able to not only set up the intensive care and other facilities within the hospital, but at the same time, we were ready to wage a war against the corona.
We are doing the COVID-19 testing for the Tri-City of Chandigarh as well as the adjoining districts of Punjab as well as Haryana.
जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का काम है, जो इसके सारा देख रेख करनी है, वो हमारा ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे है. इसमें हमने एक कंट्रोल रूम स्थापित किया हुआ है कि पेशेंट कहाँ से आएगा, स्टाफ मेंबर्स कहाँ से आएंगे, कहाँ से वापस जाएंगे, उसका पूरा हमने प्रावधान यहाँ किया हुआ है, जिसमें हमारे क्लिनिशियंस और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्टाफ जहाँ पे 24 घंटे उपलब्ध रहता है और जहाँ पे सारी सीसीटीवी मॉनिटरिंग भी होती है और जो डॉफिंग एरियाज़ हैं उनको भी हम लगातार नज़र बना के रखते हैं कि कोई भी जो डॉफिंग है बहुत ज़रूरी हिस्सा होता है सेफ्टी के लिए, उसमें कोई ब्रीच ना हो जाए, उसका भी हम पूरी निगरानी रख रहे हैं. ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की तरफ से पूरा ध्यान रखा जाता है कि उनको जो भी सेफ्टी किट्स हैं वो पूरी उनको मिले.
The treatment aspect is overseen by a team of critical care specialists from various departments.
We are trying to take care of these patients to the best standards of intensive care of any other patient without putting our healthcare workers at risk. This is one of our patients in the ICU. As you can see, we have a CCTV camera feed by which we can look at the patient. We can see the monitor on one corner. If the patient is on a ventilator, we will be able to see the monitor also on the other side. We have got our doctors and nurses who are looking after the patient right there.
हम सब मिलके अब कोरोना वायरस की बीमारी से लड़ने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं। हमारे पास सारी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, हमारे पास सारे प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं।
Healthcare workers are required to use personal protective equipment (PPE) to safeguard themselves as they come in direct contact of COVID patients. Provision of PPE has been challenging in the face of shortage in the country.
If we have to see a proper COVID patient or COVID suspected patient, then we use this N95 mask. N95 means it is a protection up to 95% virus entry. Now, whenever there is some aerosol generating procedure being done, like suppose you are intubating a patient or suppose suctioning a patient, this is which is called face shield. This face shield really helps protecting your face. That is very important, which is there. And in case of this bodysuit checking, we put water on it and we check inside whether the water has percolated in it or not. That way we do, and then after wearing the whole thing, then we look into its breathability. This is one good quality PPE. We have checked it, we found that a person can keep wearing it for almost 8 to 10 hours without any problem. And this is quite flexible, so there is no problem when the people are wearing it. Most important component is the doffing area. While doing the doffing, well, you have to take out. We are ensuring this aspect, that is very important, so that people don't get infected while working.
In addition to patient care, PGI MER gives the safety and welfare of all healthcare workers utmost priority.
All healthcare workers are precious, especially during this COVID pandemic. They need special care and protection during this period. Once they start their duty period, they are housed in our own private ward, provided sumptuous diet on time, as well as they are taken care of for their mental health as well as their physical health through telephonic consultation. Our nurses, doctors and technical assistants are housed in our private ward, and our health assistants, hospital assistants as well as our security staff and sanitary staff are housed in the PGI Infosys Sarai, which is within the PGI complex itself. After they finish the 7-day duty, they are housed for quarantine purposes in either Parkview Hotel or in the PGI Infosys Sarai. On day 12 of this quarantine period, we do their throat swab and nasal swab, and if they are tested negative, they are released back into their own homes on day 14.
We have recruited most experienced staff, the best of the best personnel to motivated work hand in hand with the qualified team of doctors.
बहुत ही कम समय में कोरोना पेशेंट के लिए ICU, HDU और ऑपरेशन थिएटर तैयार किया। हमने अपने एक्सपर्ट टेक्नीशियंस की टीम को ट्रेनिंग दी और उनके मनोबल को बढ़ाया ताकि हम सब लोग मिलकर डॉक्टर के कंधे के साथ कंधा मिलाकर इस कोरोना की लड़ाई में को जीत सकें।
इधर एसए और एचए को पोस्ट करने से पहले उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है कि उन्होंने कैसे काम करना है, उनको बार बार समझाया जाता है और उसके बाद सारा बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट सही तरीके से हैंडल किया जाता है।
And ultimately, in this war with the pandemic, no setup is complete without its frontliners who work through adversities to deliver the best possible patient care.
Being in this institute and the responsibility which was given to us, I think it was a very big responsibility, and I was really eager to go there and work for this institute.
कोविड आईसीयू में काम करना बहुत ही अलग सा एक्सपीरियंस था। एक तरफ से डर भी लगता था क्योंकि हमें पता था कि हम अपने लाइफ को थोड़ा रिस्क में डाल रहे हैं, बट निकलते हुए अच्छा लगता था कि हमने किसी के लिए कुछ अच्छा किया.
And working in the ICU with excellent infrastructure and a good support from all our concerned faculty, and the quarantine period was also like a second home to us. We were provided with the great services, and we were daily inquired by our faculties, by our parents about our good health. And yes, yesterday when we got our reports negative, and it was the happiest time for all our teams. None of our member has been infected.
The battle with COVID-19 in India is far from over. Triumph can only come with each and every part of the system working in harmony. That includes not only the healthcare workers from the base up, but each and every person in the community to play their part properly. In this hour, with all differences forgotten, let us rise above this enemy by giving our best and working as one.